Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kuto Less. First, let's understand your current habits. Begin by observing when and why you reach for Kuto. Perhaps it's during a morning coffee break, or maybe for 30 minutes before bed. Try keeping a simple log for a few days. This will give you a clear picture of your usage patterns. Understanding these triggers is the crucial first step toward making meaningful changes and reducing your reliance on Kuto. Now, let's set some clear boundaries. Decide on specific times you'll allow yourself to use Kuto, perhaps for 2 15-minute intervals daily. Create physical spaces where Kuto is simply not permitted, like your kitchen table during meals. Many devices offer built-in tools to help you manage screen time, or you can download apps that enforce limits, like allowing only 1 hour of Kuto per day. These small changes can make a big difference. To truly reduce Kuto, you need fulfilling alternatives. Think about what you enjoy doing that doesn't involve Kuto. Maybe it's reading a book, learning a new skill, or spending time outdoors. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, call a friend or family member for a 10-minute chat. Even a short 20-minute walk can be incredibly refreshing and a much healthier way to spend your time. Find joy in these new pursuits. Maintaining reduced Kuto usage is an ongoing journey. Periodically check in with yourself to see what's working and what isn't, then adjust your plan accordingly. Don't forget to acknowledge your successes, even the small ones like going an entire afternoon without Kuto. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. There will be days you slip up, and that's perfectly okay. Just gently guide yourself back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.